Hey guys! Ramadan isn't just a religious period, it's a whole vibe that transforms countries in the Muslim world. One mistake during Ramadan could ruin your trip. Today I'm revealing the top mistakes travelers make and how to avoid them. Trust me, you don't want to miss the last one. It could save you from major embarrassment. First up, public eating or drinking during fasting hours. Many Muslim majority countries observe strict customs, and eating in public can be seen as disrespectful. Even a quick sip of water or snack could earn you serious side-eye or fines. Solution? Look for designated spots like covered restaurants or hotels, and always check local laws. They differ from country to country. But that's just the start. Mistake number 2 could leave you stranded with no food at all. Here's the deal. Restaurants, food stalls, and grocery stores might shut down during fasting hours. If you're not prepared, you could end up hangry in a place full of delicious food you can't access. Solution? Plan your meals around suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, and iftar, when the fast is broken. These are magical times when you can join locals for incredible feasts. And remember, book in advance, especially for popular iftar buffets. They sell out fast. And speaking of timing, mistake number 3 could mess up your entire itinerary. During Ramadan, everything operates on a different clock. Museums, shops, and attractions might open later, close earlier, or take long midday breaks. Even public transport schedules can change. Solution? Research the local Ramadan timetable and adjust your plans. Pro tip: use the quieter daytime hours to explore less crowded spots and save evenings for the bustling Ramadan festivities. But what about those festive evenings? Mistake number 4 could ruin the best part of Ramadan. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is treating Ramadan like any other time of the year. At night, the cities come alive. Markets glow with lanterns, street food stalls serve mouth-watering delicacies, and mosques host special prayers called Taraweeh. Join in. Sample traditional Ramadan treats like katayef. Soak in the festive atmosphere and experience the cultural side of this holy month. But wait, there's one mistake that could really offend locals. Let's dive into it. Ramadan is a time of reflection and modesty, and dressing inappropriately or acting overly loud can offend locals. Some places even have stricter dress codes during this time. Pack loose, modest clothing and follow the cultural vibe. And when in doubt, ask a local. They're often more than happy to guide you. Now, here's the surprise we promised. Ramadan isn't just about rules. It's about unforgettable experiences you'll treasure forever. Traveling during Ramadan offers a chance to experience something special. Imagine sharing iftar under the stars in Morocco, walking through Cairo's illuminated streets, or witnessing the devotion in Istanbul. It's a side of travel few people see. Approach it with respect and curiosity, and you'll leave with memories richer than any souvenir. So, If you're planning to travel during Ramadan, now you know what to avoid and how to make the most of this unique time. It's a month filled with beauty, culture, and unforgettable experiences, if you do it right. Which of these tips surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and if you're hungry for more travel hacks, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow adventurers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on your next journey.